Okay, business officers may say what but obra on more than. Well, what them need why to muda? So what would that?
The chief commander, it me smart. Ne nkwala say mon konko kan che o say eja no wisie no omoma no kofom. And sometimes I tell them say yetijamuni yeshe, you cannot tell us say yenja she. And they'll still come and oppress you.
Wow. Okay, we'll come back to that. But Mamin Tiasie, Nipa no the one row na chain no
10 years.
10 years.
Obekwa wo ho.
But ono bedru ho no.
E wo ho.
Ntina ohye wo ho.
Yes.
Ena wan kasa so koye no.
Me hye bi.
Wo hye bi. Na mugusu amohye wusere timi bakumo.
Etimi ko eye prison no epie yard no ko animu. Commander. This is not a lie. Me I testify. I talk about what I have seen. I have witnessed everything. Me in Detroit, officer Bia, he want to challenge you. Come forward.
Hey.
Yes.
Oh, Moshia na commander so say American chance ma wusie no
conform. Wusie no and conform. Sometimes omoba prisoners no be yedin because when they come, on be say that no more bo, more paper. And those who will take bribe also take it out. I will not lie. Sunyani Central Prison as an American.
Hey, Charlie.
The chief commander, it me smart. Ne nkwala say mon konko kan che o say eja no wisie no omoma no kofom. And sometimes I tell them say yetijamuni yeshe, you cannot tell us say yenja she. And they'll still come and oppress you.
Wow. Okay, we'll come back to that. But Mamin Tiasie, Nipa no the one row na chain no
10 years.
10 years.
Obekwa wo ho.
But ono bedru ho no.
E wo ho.
Ntina ohye wo ho.
Yes.
Ena wan kasa so koye no.
Me hye bi.
Wo hye bi. Na mugusu amohye wusere timi bakumo.
Etimi ko eye prison no epie yard no ko animu. Commander. This is not a lie. Me I testify. I talk about what I have seen. I have witnessed everything. Me in Detroit, officer Bia, he want to challenge you. Come forward.
Hey.
Yes.
Oh, Moshia na commander so say American chance ma wusie no conform.
Ma wusie no and conform. Sometimes omoba prisoners no be yedin because when they come, on be say that no more bo, more paper. And those who will take bribe also take it out. I will not lie. Sunyani Central Prison as an American.
Hey, Charlie.
Ne chono. Ena escorting officer no any PA so on nya no onko bia. Echi ewie mu ho no ya interview no. Say obi and the cause ya the patrol no ema e signal bi e wo ho signal na the patrol no e de saga na de o pomp e cigarette it is cigarette or rapo no no ko ni ba ni etwemu o say wo na so we hu say bibi sa it be body koto ya no wia ne no obu wia no ti eto ho that was the signal na president there no onim sa signal no
okay.
Nipa ni twemu o twemu no na obu be do ada ne ko share no na ewura ne wo no na obu ni ti eto ho then when you say aha na dia no e share it o ka so ko to da o go okokoto e ho no say okokoto no e say o pump ya dia no asha no
okay and most of the things that they pump say
on the blind side
okay
on the blind side of the officer
right.
No maybe so on visitors are omo ba no
okay
omo di hihye no memo could you believe say tin tomatoes canned tin tomatoes ebinumu etu so come no the normal
inside
ya mom kwan yes ya mom of our opportunity
oh really
and to supplement but not as a rule
okay
wow yeah as any the prisoner of our chepe okay well they can no or maybe the mono miniaba and yet even as today or maybe they once the 80% be someone say if they are a bank and a vessel not per meal per day now you quite say the bemomo if they are not area any number ask yourself well it's your mom when you visit no we encourage ebusuafo no say we dey say raw ration kakra or the fabric no say the artist e dey be ni mo kakra or the best supplement yeah serve from inside
enti mo soja yes
but yeah mo soja work reports any BDA, but they are not more is under strict supervision.
Who supervise?
Officers supervise. Your time, your cooking area. Your cooking area. Ya reserve amomo. I want to more media, but officers were almost supervise it. If they are now
okay.
At every given point in time. Now for almost time, and yet the whole almost time. And this is the time I am more up from Anopa 8 o'clock to 11:30. Now all cooking ceases.
11:30 a.m.
Yeah, 11:30 a.m.
I see.
And after 11:30, no cooking goes on except the official kitchen. Now, yeah, already and a general.
Okay.
That's where cooking goes on.
Me now Okasa winning Mr. Alexander Redu. My main fa Nkoma Onia because we watched it on Onia TV and to credit me the Kwama Onia. Now he said a lot of things. He talked about the fact he said prison officers, any or more I think it's a humanitarian on that grounds and prison officers and foreign still to more or something I can say obi the sikaba not just a prison officer obi the kind of prison officer for more danka more than issue collectors nko this kind of ever no this kind of no or no afan percentage no obi so afan percentage say blackmail in air cost you na Nigerian prisons for officers meaning because one na moji phone no na mo dey amomo na obi tini baby na wa fero na just say one blackmail a lot of things he said and I think we have the audio here with time no you remember audio no but what is going on it shows say there is good business Suyan prisons because obi every more prison bar na drain say oba be sakran I think he said what he said no immediately I'll be pass Suyan prisons there and it comes worse because of the help of the prison officers.
Now, and yet, Sunya prison, just above one channel, it's not peculiar to Sunya Central Prison.
Okay.
Everywhere prison is in the world, these things, you can see some of these things showing up. Right, good. Now, the woman here, no maybe why they are illegal, they are unauthorized. But because I'm called for smuggle those things inside, well, for the use of some now, think the medical can say, the person who actually be there now or per ways and means or be first one who ever hang.
Okay.
Very good. Now, side issue a Rasta Alexander Redu on have been very, very well.
Okay.
And I make interact on a lot of occasions. Personally.
Okay.
Yeah, personally I interact on a lot of occasions. But Sano Moyo Bubo 29 of you 2019 OPA. Yeah, OPA 2019. OPA 2019.
2019.
Yeah, 2019.
I see.
Yes, OPA 2019. October 2019.
October 2019.
And OPA. Now, most of these things here, your boss, you know, my share video, no. Or claim say on one casa and a film me or take it, sir.
That means you had the opportunity to have a camera phone.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now, until when points to the fact is say on one casa no, there was conniving and condoning was a corporate, but because he was benefiting from it, so I just say he couldn't talk. Now, here, me can say, me say me personally, no, me very, very fine. Well, now, on say, oba inside, it was apart from that, individual handiworks on the age, we allow them. Just to while away the time, say about prison, jail, intimate, on say, or the Adria Yetugui, Adria Yetugui, palm kennels, or the Akoma, dear.
Okay.
Bangles, rings.
Yeah, you said anything a moment opportunities, Nana.
But I never make anyone on choir, make us about. That is how my way in now. Or Toma named Crawford, inside.
Now, Crawford, no more days.
Now, one said, prison, because of the way, now talking about when it may refer to the humanity aspect.
Okay.
The humanity aspect, well, they say that society is dynamic, Well, so you change along with the times, right?
Okay.
Very good. Now, prison ration alone cannot sustain the prisoner. Prison ration alone.
Okay, maybe bisa question.
Yes.
Autonomy and Crawford, and I want us to go there.
Yeah,
I don't know the work of Moya. They get money to also buy these things. Where are they sending it?
Good.
Okay.
Make I say, prison ration alone cannot sustain the inmate in there. Now, also, individual needs.
Okay.
A bit more why. So, almost vision for Ebesla or more, Omuska. Scanner your mom, yet the scanner at 2 record or so. There were 2 books. There were a reception where and a contain image no cash back a cash property book. Cash property book on the day of admission no. Sikebia a one home or the bar prison no. We enter say Sikano that amount no in his column our cash property book no more. Abibia or Yesikebia Gaye no. You pass to the official channel. Now we're going to Sikano, not yet a quarter whatever, and not yet a young way to my man. Aside admission, whilst the person is in custody, any Bia or Benya and Sikebia, Nisa Ebeka official, scanner Ebene say, Ibomaka Bontain, Apako Yejuma. Jomuko Yejuma, mam, or mono, Bakono Amomuska. We allow those things, Omobana Yedwano, a mountain. The second book is a supplementary cash property book. Now you recorded amount now or Babel Lord in his account. That was supplementary cash property book no more. And at every given point in time, Omusika is in custody in the prison. Now, Nipa certain times no one can think it will be here. And those a bit more here be they apply. Say me sika way amount say this or that or that. So if it's a restriction limit, say limit area more as at now 10 cedis per week. 10 cedis per week. Said they be no marketing now a barrier say, right? Prison server a ban a PPR MIA. It is a buy supply MIA. Yankasa buy supplies MIA. And Omuna Monoma and Yefi almost at the Fimo Munyariana, they be that. So these are some of the normal. They would go what toothpaste, crowd or the metric in the crown. A bin hop. Saban dear Maya, yet to me can say they should work just like that.
Okay, so understand you go through the
go through the process. Exactly. You apply. That's the amount.
Okay.
Well, now obsess I could talk at the amount. Other times because of the quality of Omediano Moody, now Omomka Bontini say, and now Omonia visit, see, prisons in particular, say, Omonia visit, a prison is less than 10%. As I speak with you today, and then Anopano, lock up, Nipa Umugumuno, 8 asset and rano, Omia Anopemi Adwit, but asset and run, Omia 854. Nipa, yes, asset and run 854.
Okay.
Instead of the authorized capacity of 450.
Okay, so twice that amount.
That is it.
Okay.
Now, and out of this 854, we know, Omomonia visit is less than 10%. Now, Ebia negotiation for urban raw ration. Raw ration is that bread or no. Ebia Meko Kakra, Meko Jani, and the friend Moko, Obeki Etri, a good name crème, and rich name Kakra, into Kakra, Jenica, normal kete. Ebia Mimi Semenya visit. Bra or Nunya visit. Now, so he be make me family then money free. Okay, so pay there and their first cabra and my family. But all these things, because of the human faith that we attach, it's a yenim there because of Minaba. Look, say, there's nothing to write about. Okay, nipple.
Okay,
so, some of these things, we pretend as if we don't see it. Let me tell you something. The route, a basic prisoner, if you omediano so. The route, a basic prisoner, If you make now, at every given point in time, the prisoners they outnumber us. It is a year so strict. They say, "Mra, you're so stringent on prison rules." Say, can we contain them? When they rebel against no more attacking officers and what inside what we what inside. Look at all this now. Me find saying.
And the video I share Kefesi Wonia.
Yes.
Now Omoton Jane Nyadua cocaine it happens in the prison.
Now and I make say some of this we close our eyes with on the humanitarian grounds.
So how do we close our eye to selling of cocaine in a place a rehab by a person some material?
Cocaine is not food. Cocaine is drugs.
Okay.
Cocaine is narcotics.
Okay.
Narcotic
but
drugs.
That is what he said.
Good. A narcotic drug, right? Now on one case only. But the question is, did he alert any officer? That's the question. Did he? Only said it is against the law. And will be a small girl and thereby inside. Which is on one casino, he was using the drugs inside. Me and me.
Okay.
The normal now or your maton baby amano through the official channel. I thought they be a Rotary Club, for instance. Rotary Club, certain times, almost foreign sponsors, eba around. Almost by the normal now, so that they want to see some of these things. And some will come back, as well, the foreigners, some will come back. They want to take some of these things as souvenirs to baby almost buy into you know man or churning out me on different occasions through the official channel. So as I say, it's the relationship between me in particular as an individual and him that should not restrict him from even alerting me say, Master, Charlie, cocaine bill and then we bill. Certain times.
Yes. Before you continue with the certain times, does it also mean say prison officers the time they no room? Is it that they are not doing their way? Because looking at the video, you can't say you need him to come and report before you know so there's something going on there. Because it's like a market day. Me if video needs to see some people are smoking and nobody as a prison officer, nobody is even looking at and as will be a report. The prison officer be asked who said this is what is going on.
When I walk on it's a very serious concern.
Okay.
Now, and my medical work has said at every given point in time, well, the inmates they outnumber the officers. Now, also, like I said, there were administrative staff or more officers or more yejuma. The administrative yejuma were outside the prison.
Okay.
And more a car were inside almost that's number one. Number two, block honor will try baby omunum we near a cocaine and you may a adiano officers are a wahono by virtue of because the shift system that you run
okay
because the shift system officers is that now certain times obeti pampans or mushi we and over say a walk or acquire arrest if you the moment you enter the gate to the block obeti bus the signal and you almost signal almost signal bus it will be do hono
na baskata
do hono na
do hono na
bas no tu
well ebi wo kwa some of the inmates omo faso omo be maye tip off say this particular cell we must be shower into what organizing officers mark for searches and mark
how many times do you do search?
Anytime say that we do even and require a search on it just and we have a random search and there was special apart from random there was special search so what we do is say you have got searches you have got now say you nipa they say obi ayebe chino adiano ewon as exhibit empa they be who sa no man so emperor is the person we hold responsible Now, we are making now some of the officers and also know very bad. And more dear, me, you almost in film. Just a few times, 2 weeks ago, Officer back home, he attempted, or a sergeant, he attempted smuggling mobile phone into the yard. Just the attempt to know. You are trying to know. You are one of many million, you are one million, we don't condone these things. And you know, a bit why you're ready from the service. So we don't condone these things. So, in some of them do give us the tip of over search and so on. Now you have retrieved so let me tell you something. About 2-3 years ago, in one of such searches,
Okay.
we retrieved 49 SIM cards.
Wow.
49 SIM cards of one particular telecom. Yes.
Okay.
One particular telecom. 49 belong to one particular telecom. How did these how do you call it, SIM cards, get into the possession of the inmate,
Okay.
Well, it was something that was smuggled in. Now, first, we approached the telecom concerned. No, almost the entire letter. You saw letter, no, and you stated the serial numbers of all the 49 SIM cards, and then the numbers are allotted to each of these SIM cards, and me and commander, me and medical officer, and the common be seen there. They have not cooperated with us. So how can we fight some of these things?
Okay. So per what yeah, sorry, because you've done a lot of explanation. Per what Alexander Redu Ekayen or Kase Mumbi Mohwan, meaning said you're okay there. It was on the blind side of the officers.
That is it. And also say, the law says he who alleges must prove. It was on one alleged or the videos on Abba Bontain on one casa a trial. We will welcome you so much if you avail himself to assist us in investigating and then bringing their corporate to book.
Okay. It is Oba out. Na me passion me say we. Oba out no obe body say bia Madam Passion din say. ASP Nancy. Okay. Ebia ASP Nancy na ya odi niema eba. You deal with ASP Nancy.
Exactly.
Omra me body.
Omra me body. Now improve my
Okay. So you are
on one casa no phone now or you see where you got the phone.
Okay. So you are daring me to me body.
Exactly. Number one, where you got the phone, how he charges the phone, a drug now or use who brought in those drugs, multi drugs so say pictures, videos, send microphone, and buy.
Yes.
What are those people?
Do you know them?
Most of them, so you cannot. It is we are.
But you not identify to say your book we need no swing no.
Oh yes, I'm
but pictures.
Pictures. We are still investigating.
Okay.
We are still investigating.
Since when did the investigation start?
Oh, sir, I don't know about just last Wednesday.
Yes.
And any week.
Yes.
And any week. So we started the operations team, as ongoing with the investigations. So.
Okay.
Yeah, your operations team, some operations team, I involve some of the leaders, in this particular investigation. It's the only leaders, they can assist and identify those images images, they can assist and identify them. So far, almost discharge.
Okay.
But we are still going in deeper. Once on PA 2019, on
2 years down the line.
OPA 2019.
Piero, I no pay it has but before so over corner, don't you think say you need a lot of branding, you need a lot of with your officers. I say maybe per the kind in any the kind who is humanitarian I am more. Yes, you want them to feel comfortable, but don't you think say can maybe your horses were motion in
oh him medase baby. Once the prisons, Ghana Prison Service, on mine bambo ejuma. For the mine and for a buying.
Yeah, mine.
For the mine is for the state. Not at every given point in time, you know, a baby a basso ever share a human also. Now, you may be answered the one and a and I want it here and I can't dear. Yem penny for no I can be about I can't dear here. Now, the offer was so no. We show me here in show a one bottle or the minister, mini before the day. So we are doing our best. Now, me feel say we should be praised rather than being vilified. Yes, we should be praised rather than being vilified. I said, me about no my no. I said, Emma Bonteno, and then we cannot come and trumpet the air course. But as and when we have the opportunity to know, we come out to say some of these things. And then, as a particular allegation about out to know. All stakeholders obibia also security minded. I'll pay ye and my service. Munya Mufa Manutumbi. Mumwaye. No my ye here I beat me there ye to any Acadia. I beat my ye to man make one acoso. Now I saw a nino. Will welcome me so much. But say
prison personnel to say officers no more no so.
Once no balance.
Okay.
Balance. But teacher say once a benya mechanical devices to help us in our physical security. No, I bet why you baby. It's a block in the no. Well, say I dear Nanka, yet to me amount to CCTV cameras. I will block of honor. Once I almost about chinku, it will be shown on the monitor. And you'll be able to identify those prisoners involved. Near there, no. So they only say you go straight for them. But we don't have them. So there was a time immediate past regional commander now he was faced with this challenge about this blackmailing and defrauding through this momo near there, no. And coordinate outside the victims, prison hall. And we were able to identify those prisoners on we invited them and they owned that. Well, but say I didn't know it would be said phone jammer.
Yes, and I'm going to go that you know that phone.
Yes,
You're already in prison, so what are you going to do?
So what we then said, a victim, their job said, if they want to take the matter out, then they should go and report to the police.
Okay.
They should go and report to the police for the police to take it up from there.
I see.
It's like the only thing that we can do is we can forfeit part of their remission. Administratively, we can only forfeit part of their remission. But what they have done is criminal.
It's criminal, yeah.
Unless the police comes in.
Okay.
So we throw it to the victims, So as to whether they followed up or not,
we don't.
I know
Yes, I don't play that. I mean, sure, so what about the church? And we know so wherever we do a honor. So person of bois na the prisons so order ever. Omra no make us assume say a boy. And yes, I'm not
sanity. Now, unim redo na ngasa no. He has a problem. Sabe na dream ehano.
Oh, okay. More medical a year, sir.
In frame na ye wo ho no. They were trained medical personnel.
Okay.
They are heading in frame no. A physician assistant. Yes, I was psychiatric nurse. And what other nurses?
Okay.
All these people are professionals.
Okay.
And they say, health professionals see some symptoms are they know.
So did they diagnose him say it's him cancer?
Observe the symptoms, no. Yeah, they no call a psychiatric clinic, no. Municipal.
Okay, Sunyani municipal.
Sunyani municipal. They recorded that.
Yeah, babe.
And I cannot give you that you're offhand.
Okay.
But the record, or both in the prison, at the infirmary, and then at the psychiatric clinic, and also. Now, immediate OPA, or there's this same allegation, echo Ghana Web.
Okay. Now the record, that honor chess and the record that was in team can and the record that was saying.
No, send it to Mukano.
Okay.
Send it to Mukano. That's in the medical history. The medical history. Now, our video now, just their course so man. Okay, business officers na say what bother or bra or more than. Well, what them need by why to muda? So what bother? Well, did that.
Okay.
Well, and I just about to say, Minister, about that for us to say, no, almost damn on and then 24/7. And 24/7. You'll be better than a lucid interval.
On and off.
Lucid, very good. Lucid interval, no, every time a damn on actual so he's back to himself. Well, and it was in, I believe strongly say, it was in that state of his lucidness, the chance and not the ban one or the chance I be the but what he himself was a beneficiary of the wrongdoing, he didn't complain. What did I make an answer? Say, idea, man wasn't benefit and wasn't a partaker. He would have given us a tip of say, if you are also officer, and I said, what about me? What about me? The way I've been in it here. Yeah, no. So I just say,
was he say ne sebi I want to the mental issue neighbor on my did they give him?
Oh yes, once a psychiatric clinic on man into yeah they no ever infirmary home. So as and when the medication needs to be administered to him, not your friend no about your donor manano before he goes back to yard.
Oh, okay.
So
this was the experience I know
that the experience and that now even when we share video now, even his demeanor, wow, his demeanor on the set, no, tell you the pay, baby Hano, me now, watch it very well. In 2 parts, on the Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, and I Captain Smart afraid me, interview me, and he promised calling me the following day to respond to some of these issues, but he never called till today.
I see.
Yes, till today. And one, Messer, where they may pass out when I was, and I'm appeal to a media for Mutin. Now, certain time, and yet just anything be will be back media house and say of a prison or information from prison. Miss Remo, don't put the people on air right away.
Okay.
You can record these things. We record even while the record is going on. You can call the nearest prison and maybe I say call those in prison to come in on immediately.
Okay. So that
is it. Well, but you put the people on air. Necessarily, there's a more labossy here without delving to find out the truth. You make them feel so important. And then you vilify us. Meanwhile, you have not heard our side of the story. Senya ene and now move friend ene maba other me church who knows what is inside there and what pertains. What did you make it is very, very important. Yes, we are all serving society. Because security is everybody's business. And then who any security lapse now it will affect you.
Mr. Hennessy, I don't pay you that.
Yes,